what I can do right now is get the exhaust system taken care of. Right now I'm running a Gowesty stainless steel shorty exhaust, and it looks really nice, but what I want to do is actually heat wrap it to prevent any kind of heat soaking in the engine bay. Because the exhaust lives right in this area and wraps right around the lower portion of the head, I'd like to figure out a way, not really figure out a way, I'd like to eliminate a lot of that heat that gets soaked inside the engine. And in order to do that, we're going to install some heat wrap. This right here is the Gowesty stainless steel exhaust, and these are the header pipes right here. And what we have is a titanium grade, I guess, exhaust wrap, and the necessary band clamps and tool to get all this wrapped up and looking super pretty. So I'm not gonna lie, this is my first time doing something like this, but it doesn't look like it's too difficult. Definitely a time-consuming process, especially if you're not really familiar with how to wrap an exhaust like myself. So first things first, wear gloves. First time around, my hands got super itchy, had a bunch of like metal fiberglass material, or titanium is what they say this stuff's made out of. But yeah, that stuff was in my hands. It was very painful, itchy, not fun. But after gloves, learning how these worm clamps work. Basically, you want to tighten them in a clockwards fashion until it gets to the point where you feel like it's going to break, and then you're going to roll it up and over. That's the one part I didn't understand when I was working with it, is rolling it back over to make sure that it didn't want to unspring itself. Not sure if I like the way they're designed, but that's what the manufacturer calls for, and they are stainless steel, so they're not going to rust. But yeah, we got the entire exhaust wrapped up until this one section right here where I ran out. The package says it does enough for a 4-cylinder manifold. I'm guessing because of this one really long run right here, took up a lot of my extra material. But that's fine because I have a collector that comes in right here at these two, which isn't going to get wrapped. It's a collector into the cat, so it's just one small run, and it's on the almost exterior of the vehicle, not really in the engine bay area itself. This is hopefully going to do some good, and also looks really good. Screams race car. Can't wait to get them bolted in, fired up, and watch them smoke, because for what I was reading, that's what these things do. They like to burn up and get tighter and cling to the manifold. Tell the world. Tell them how you really feel.
Where's my little thing? Is it broken? Oh.
Whoa! Alright, I'm taking back those Journey Chronicle plugs I was doing. You have to pay me for them now.
Pay you in sex since you make me a prostitute.
Woohoo!
Hey, you fix this?
Fix what?
This thing keeps getting bent.
What thing?
Alright.
Enough, I leave you alone long enough, you'll be able to take care of yourself. I think I might just end it right here, because this doesn't want to wrap all the way. Alright, we're going to stop right here. I'm going to come back this way. Wrap it. That looks really good for a first try.